Welcome to this product video about the Rockfon Eclipse wall panel, the fast, affordable, and highly effective wall solution for improving room acoustics. My name is Edward Blake, and I'm part of the product management team here at Rockfon. I'm going to guide you through the product in three main stages. First, we look at the basics. Secondly, we consider the challenges in room planning. And thirdly, we look carefully at the reasons for choosing Rockfon Eclipse wall panels over the alternatives available on the market today. So let's start with the basics. Stone wool, the core material used in our acoustic tiles and panels, is by nature a highly sound absorbent material. This allows you to achieve high levels of acoustic comfort without having to use ceiling tiles with dimples, perforations, or holes. Rockfon acoustic solutions last almost indefinitely until they were recycled to make more. Using materials with high light reflection and high light diffusion can increase the level of daylight available in a particular room or space. From a fire rating point of view, most of our products are classified as A1, meaning they do not contribute to a fire. As you can see, Rockfon tiles and panels is the material of choice when it comes to demanding interiors. If you'd like to know more about how Rockfon can make a difference for you, feel free to watch this video. So how to secure good room acoustics for a noisy interior space? We understand just how tough it can be to secure good interior acoustics. Often there's a lot of background noise. Just think about the busy restaurant you were in last week, your child's classroom, or that meeting room you've just spent the last 2 hours in. Background noise makes it difficult and sometimes impossible to hear what other people are saying. And modern building design, such as open plane of ceilings, trendy concrete floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows, are making it all so much worse. Luckily, there is a fast, affordable, and highly effective solution that makes it possible to create an acoustically pleasant environment in any room. It's called Rockfon Eclipse wall panel. Often the noise problem faced by our customers is within the existing building, and it's simply not viable to spend vast amounts of money or close off the entire space for several days or weeks to fit and install a solution. Rockfon Eclipse wall panel represents a highly affordable way of solving poor acoustics for an entire room. Even very large ones can be transformed in just a matter of hours, not days. Technically, they're very straightforward to install, and so whilst enlisting the help of a professional can be advantageous, it can also be performed as a DIY installation with no technical training needed. Perhaps you've already done all you can to acoustically treat the ceiling, but sound reverberating between the walls is still causing a very undesirable flutter echo. Perhaps it's difficult to attach items to the ceiling soffit or hard to gain access to the ceiling soffit. Perhaps daylight enters the space via the roof, or the soffit acts as a thermal mass for heating or cooling the building. Now, factors like this make it even more challenging when trying to solve noise issues. But thanks to the way that Rockfon Eclipse wall panel is installed, that is, upon the wall using a specifically designed fixing kit, you're able to solve the problem whilst overcoming these common challenges. Clever, huh? Let's spend 3 minutes examining the key features and benefits of this amazing product. So why choose the Rockfon Eclipse wall panel over alternatives you might find for sale out there on the market today? Well, let's start with the fact that the product's specially designed fixing kit and measuring tool makes it ultra fast to mark drilling and anchor points. This not only makes it very fast to install, but greatly reduces costly installation errors, caused typically by marking out errors. Rockfon Eclipse wall panels are fixed to the wall by specially designed fixing kits, and 2 kits are available. The first kit is our direct kit, which fixes the acoustic panel to the wall, leaving a gap of just 15 millimeters between the wall and the panel. The second is our stepped fixing kit, which leaves a gap of just 65 millimeters between the wall and the panel. Now, you're probably wondering, why offer 2 kits? Well, by using a combination of both the direct and the stepped kits, you're able to create a myriad of patterns and design expressions by overlapping a set of panels. This means a whole range of designs can be produced without the need to purchase any additional fixtures. Now remember that Rockfon Eclipse is dimensionally stable, even up to 90% relative humidity, and can tolerate temperatures ranging right from 0 to 40 degrees. This means Rockfon Eclipse can, if necessary, be installed at a much earlier stage of the building project than many of the alternatives, which are typically made from less stable materials. It's also good to know that each box contains a pair of gloves to be worn when handling the product, thereby avoiding dirty hand and finger marks being left on the surface during the unboxing and installation. Now, even if some dirt does happen to be transferred to the outer surface, you'll be pleased to hear that the panel features Class 1 wet scrub resistance, meaning that they can easily be cleaned with a vacuum or damp cloth. So you've heard one reason to choose Rockfon Eclipse wall panel is related to the speed and ease of installation. But let's look at how the product delivers both best-in-class safety and sound absorption, fully documented as standard. Rockfon Eclipse feature best-in-class reaction to fire, that is, class A1 in accordance to the European standard. Now this may come as a shock to you, but you should be aware that many companies providing alternative acoustic wall panels fail to even declare a reaction to fire class for their products. Many alternatives feature fabrics and core materials that are known to perform very poorly in a reaction to fire test. With Rockfon Eclipse, you know you're installing a non-combustible product. So, unlike the alternatives, you don't need to worry about fire performance. Rockfon Eclipse also boasts best-in-class sound absorption. Again, unlike many competitors, the performance for this is fully documented with a set of comprehensive sound curves made publicly available from independent test labs. Furthermore, the Rockfon Eclipse Island is certified for low emissions, having gained both the Danish indoor climate and the Finnish M1 emission label. So what I finally want to touch upon is the high degree of design freedom offered by Rockfon Eclipse wall panels. First of all, it's produced in 6 standard shapes: square, rectangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, and finally as an oval. If you need something more than the standard shapes and dimensions, then don't fear, as Rockfon Eclipse wall panels are also available to order in totally custom shapes, and these are made to order with very competitive lead times. In terms of color, it comes as standard in a super white finish with a whiteness value of 94.5. This incredible whiteness helps the product provide 87% light reflection and 99% light diffusion, thereby improving the natural light coverage of any room, and in turn reduces the need for harsh artificial lighting. You want it to be something other than white? Don't worry. Rockfon Eclipse panels can also be made to order in a comprehensive range of NCS colors, giving you unlimited freedom when it comes to selecting the color of design. Thank you for watching this short video, and I hope you now share the same passion and excitement as I do for the Rockfon Eclipse wall panel. So that concludes this video introduction to the Rockfon Eclipse wall panel. Would you like to see more? Then head over to our website or one of our social media channels. For example, by visiting our website, you can get more detailed product information, including downloadable data sheets. By following us on Instagram, you will see our regular updates, including stunning case studies from across Europe, and on YouTube, you can watch our videos featuring animated installation guides. That's all for now. Thanks a lot.